Forgotten username recovery failed on RBC Direct Investing Fix. Forgetting your RBC Direct Investing username can feel stressful, but recovering it is straightforward if you follow the right steps. Step 1. Visit the RBC Direct Investing login page and click Forgot Username. Enter your registered email address. You'll receive an email with your username or a link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, collect verification details such as your full name, account number, and recent transactions. RBC support can verify your identity and manually recover your username. Step 3. Make sure to check spam, junk, and promotions folders for the recovery email. Follow the instructions carefully and avoid sending multiple requests simultaneously, which can slow down the process. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact RBC Direct Investing support directly. Provide all verification information and explain that recovery attempts failed. Their team will securely guide you to regain access to your account. After recovery, enhance security by enabling two-factor authentication and storing your credentials in a password manager. This reduces the risk of future login issues. By following these steps, you can quickly regain access to RBC Direct Investing and continue managing your portfolio, tracking market updates, and making trades without interruption. Forgetting your username is a temporary setback that can be resolved efficiently.